What if your car could breathe cleaner, run smoother, and regain lost power in just one tank? The Liqui Moly Catalytic System Cleaner is designed to fight carbon buildup at its source, restoring efficiency and reducing emissions. It's a simple upgrade that helps your engine perform like it should, without costly repairs or complicated fixes. Liqui Moly Catalytic System Cleaner. The Liqui Moly Catalytic System Cleaner is a high-performance fuel and intake system cleaner designed to restore the efficiency of gasoline engines equipped with catalytic converters. Known for German engineering quality, this cleaner targets carbon buildup and soot deposits that gradually reduce engine performance and increase emissions. It is especially useful for vehicles experiencing reduced fuel efficiency, rough idling, or emission-related warning lights. One of the key strengths of this cleaner is its multi-stage cleaning action. It works not only on the catalytic converter, but also on the intake valves, fuel system, and combustion chamber, ensuring a more complete engine cleanup. By removing these deposits, it improves fuel combustion, allowing the engine to run smoother and more efficiently. Cleaner combustion also directly reduces harmful exhaust gases, helping lower CO2 emissions and improving the chances of passing emission tests. Another major advantage is its preventive protection. The formula helps stop soot buildup before it becomes severe enough to clog the catalytic converter. This is important because a blocked converter can lead to expensive repairs or replacement. Additionally, the cleaner contains corrosion inhibitors that protect the fuel system components over time, extending engine life. The product is typically available in a 300 milliliters can, which is enough to treat up to around 70 liters of fuel, making it suitable for most passenger vehicles. Its effect can last for up to 2,000 kilometers, depending on driving conditions and engine health. It is easy to use as a fuel additive in some variants or via intake application for deeper cleaning, though proper instructions should always be followed. However, it's important to understand its limitations. While the Liqui Moly cleaner is effective at removing light to moderate carbon deposits, it cannot fix a physically damaged or heavily clogged catalytic converter, especially those affected by certain chemical residues like manganese oxide. Overall, the Liqui Moly Catalytic System Cleaner is a reliable solution for maintaining engine cleanliness, improving fuel efficiency, and reducing emissions. It's best used as a preventive maintenance product rather than a complete fix for severe catalytic converter issues.